Question with when are. When are you free? When are you leaving? When are they arriving? When are the results due? When are you coming over? When are you coming over? When are we meeting next? When are we having lunch? When are you cooking dinner? When are you adopting a pet? When are you joining the gym? When are you taking the exam? When are you calling me back? When are you getting married? When are you paying the bill? When are you fixing the leak? When are you buying a new car? When are you quitting the job? When are you quitting the job? When are you starting the job? When are you going on vacation? When are you sending the email? When are you starting the diet? When are you hosting the party? When are you renewing the lease? When are you returning the book? When are you returning the book? When are you painting the walls? When are they launching the app? When are they starting the event? When are we starting the project? When are you going to the doctor? When are they repairing the roof? When are you cleaning the garage? When are you fixing the computer? When are you planting the garden? When are they opening the museum? When are they resolving the issue? When are they organizing the event? When are they organizing the event? When are they releasing the update? When are you submitting the report? When are they upgrading the system? When are you learning the new skill? When are they unveiling the artwork? When are you publishing the article? When are you upgrading the software? When are they launching the website? When are they conducting the survey? When are they updating the software? When are they announcing the winner? When are they changing the schedule? When are they delivering the package? When are they expanding the business? When are you replacing the furniture? When are they opening the restaurant? When are they completing the project? When are they launching the campaign? When are you replying to the message? When are they finishing construction? When are they announcing the decision? When are you attending the conference? When are they implementing the policy? When are they conducting the interview? When are they rescheduling the meeting? When are they finalizing the agreement? When are they finalizing the agreement? When are they launching the new product?